In this session, we will learn cp command. Cp command is used to copy file from one location to another location. Using the cp command, we can also copy the directories. So first, we will learn how to copy the files. So here we have file 1 and file 2 in the virtumentor directory. Okay, so we will copy these files to test1 directory. Currently we have uh, file 3 and file 4 in test1 directory. So using the cp command is the basic syntax is that cp space source and destination. During the cp command, we can also use the absolute path for copy of files from the source to the destination, and sometimes the relative path will also work. So currently we will do using the relative path. We are in the pw virtumentor directory, and here we have the file 1 and file 2 that we are going to copy to test 1. So cp file 1 1 that we want to copy into test1 directory. Test1 directory. So one more important thing, whenever we do the cp command, it will just copy file from one location to another location. It will not remove files from the source location. Okay, so we'll see that also. The file 1 is present in virtumentor directory, and the same the file 1 will be available in test1 directory. So here the file is get copied in test1 directory. Uh, Now we'll go to the test1 directory. Now we can also copy multiple files at a time to the destination. At that time we have the file 134 in test1 directory that we will copy to the test2 directory. We'll see the what are the files available in test2 directory. Okay, so in a test2 directory we have only one file which name file 5. So to copy multiple files from one location to another location, we just need to do the cp and the file name with the spaces. So we have to copy file 1, file 2, and that we want to copy into the test 2. Okay, so here file 1 and file 2 will get copied to the destination directory which is test 2. File 2, no such a file. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so we don't have the file 2, so that's why it's not get copied, but at this moment the file 1 will get copied. So for this we'll do again the same command, cp file 1 space file 3 slash. Now we'll do file 3 and 4 under the test2 directory. In this we have copied two files into the test2 directories. So ls slash test test2 slash. So here we have the file 1345. We can also copy a directory from any one directory to the another directory. So now what we will do, we will copy some directory, we will create some directories apart from that parent directory of virtumentor. So we'll do slash tmp, and here we'll create some directory test cp test, cp underscore test. Okay, so uh, to copy this directories, what we need to do, we need to give the parameter hyphen r that will copy the recursively. Means that whenever we are doing the whenever we are copying the files, it's just in file. Okay, and for that we will give the path. But whenever we do the copy of a directory, for that we need to give the hyphen r parameter, so that that directory and the child directory or the files under that directory gets copied to the destination. So we here we will do cp hyphen r virtue mentor, and this will be the cp underscore test. So here what we are doing, we are copying cp virtue mentor directory under the cp underscore test. So here now we'll go to the cp test and we'll see here that virtue mentor directory is copied successfully. Okay, so here I'll say yes. So this way we can copy the files and directory from the source to destination. Thank you.